Hi everyone, I'm going to walk you through some steps about how you can create a Google site. So there's a lot of ways to get to Google Sites. I think one of the easiest for me is I click up here on the little waffle and it says Google Apps. So I click on this and then I click on Sites. So here I'm going to click down to New Google Sites. So I'm going to click the little plus sign on the bottom right where I'm going to create a new site. So a Google site is kind of like your own website. So for here, I'm going to call this Miss Wolf's class. As I got. So here I can change the font. This is a title size. I can make it maybe a heading size. I can bold it, anything I want. I can also name my website up here. So I'm going to say Mrs. Wolf's homepage. And I can change the image. So here I can either upload it from my computer or I can select an image. So there's already preset images. I can search for an image on the internet, on the Google, and it's even connected to Google Drive, which is great. So let's say I had a class photo of my students working, and I can select it there, which is great. So on my website or my Google site, I can select different layouts. And here, if I hit the plus sign, so I can upload from Drive, I can select an image, I can enter a YouTube video, even enter a Google Calendar, and simply edit text here. So again, think about what you want to feature on your website. So from here, I can start adding to my website. So you can click on text box and it would pop up and I can say, welcome to Mrs. Wolf's class and kind of introduce you to either your students or your parents, depending on the age of your students. I can click on image and again, I can select and either search for an image on the internet, which is great, or it's connected to Drive. So let's say again, I want to um, put more class photos up, or oh, look at what we were working on before spring break. And I would insert that picture and I can resize it and really customize my website. I don't want that image anymore. I simply just hit the trash can and I say delete. So easy as that. You can also come down here to layouts, and this kind of sets up your web page. So let's say I want to add that. I just click it, drag it onto the page. And from here, I can add images, I can add YouTube videos, I can even add Google Calendar, maybe for some older students, a map. Again, you can kind of really customize your web page however you'd like. These are all the things that you can connect to your Google site. So let's say if I wanted to connect a Google Doc, maybe for some older students, let's say I wanted to show them, hey guys, remember, this is your checklist for your upcoming project, and here it is, which is great. It's already on the website. Another thing I'll show you is, so here is our home page. If I wanted to add another tab or another page, I click on Pages. I would hit plus, and maybe I would say online resources. Right? Maybe we're giving parents online resources to do at home. So again, this is my home page, like welcome to Miss Wolf's class with some pictures. And then students or parents can click on online resources. And again, the same thing, I'd go back to insert and I would hit, say we want to embed a website. So I'm going to paste the website for IXL Math. Hit insert. And here we go. This is an extra box. Next to iExcel, I want to add how the students will log in. So students, like, remember your login is your first name or last name, blah, 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 blah. Perfect. Again, we can keep adding pages to your website. Let's say this is book recommendations. And again, we're creating a website now. The other thing, if you're working with other people in your classroom, or you can share with others, which is great, kind of like a Google Doc. So I can invite other people to edit with me. When you're done kind of making your edits, you can hit publish. It's going to give you a web address. You're going to hit publish. And you can begin sharing it. Here, I can copy the published site link, copy it here, or copy link. And let us know if you have any questions. We're happy to give, and have fun. Thanks so much.